Right, so this, I think is the first time properly on video, is Benty's FD2. And what we're doing today is fitting a fancy GruppeM or GruppeM, or however the fucking hell you say it, air filter and scuttle panel and snorkel and all the rest of it. So it's going to be one of them choppy videos. We'll bring you back in a bit. Right, so scuttle's off. Next one is get that metal bit off, and then I think it's airbox straight off. We're moving pretty quick. Right, so we're back. Look at this, airbox is off. It doesn't look bad, does it, this old taxi? So anyway, if anyone needs a trip into Manchester or whatever, give Benty a bell. He'll be happy to give you a lift. Right, so if anyone's ever done this, see this bracket here is a pain in the arsehole. So what we've had to do is undo the gear linkage mount, or whatever the fuck you call this bracket here, so that our fat fingers can fit in here, because me and Benty have had too many pies in our lifetime. So anyway, we managed to get this on finally. This one was obviously pretty easy. Oops, my fucking gimbal's dead now. This was pretty easy. And so I'll bring you back when, I don't know, when we make some more progress. See you in a bit. Fucking noisy taxi bastards. Anyway, right, so we've got this on now. It's a pain in the arsehole trying to get this on, trying to get this bracket here. I don't know if you can see into the back of that. Anyway, whatever, we're there now. We're just gonna now get the airbox on, the scuttle panel in, the snorkel comes up, whatever. We've still got about 3 hours work to do and about 15 minutes worth of daylight, so we'll bring you back in a bit. So some action shots. Those are Benty's hands, and he's just tightening the V-clamp for obviously the airbox stroke filter. So the cold air feed eventually comes through the top here down there, but it's got a nice warm air feed hole there, because obviously it was designed in a wind tunnel and all that sort of stuff. The engineering is incredible, but aside from that, it's going together pretty good. Right, so see these little bastards, where are they? They're washer jets. So because this piece is fiberglass, you can't really see it, doesn't fit very well, it's not cast very well. There's the back sides. We've done a good job, to be honest, putting it together, but let's get this fucking camera. So basically, yeah, it didn't fit very well, so I've had to sit there with a knife, basically scraping it out, making it fit right. Anyway, we've got it nice and tight, nice and snug fit now, as you can see. Looks good, looks OEM, and yeah, we're going to get it on now. And it's going dark, so who knows what we'll be able to see when we're finished, but here we go. This is what we do. See in a bit. Right, so it's pitch black, we can't see fuck all. Scuttle panel's on. What's that thing? Snorkel is on. Zip ties are zip tied. Everything's looking good. What's this? Battery cover thing's on. It's about, oops, it's about as good as we're going to get it in the middle of the night now. So we're going to take it for a quick road test, see what it sounds like, see if it's added any performance. I think it was 40 brake horsepower the website says it's going to give, and that's it. So I'll see you in a minute. What we can really see here, but hopefully you can hear it. It sounds a lot better. Does it feel any quicker? Honestly, does it bollocks? It's just an air filter, isn't it? But it definitely adds to the drama. And I don't know if the camera's picking up the sound or whatever. I might even have my fucking fingers on the microphone for all I know, but it feels good, doesn't it? Well, it sounds good anyway. What do you think? That was Benty, full of enthusiasm as usual. So yeah, we've been like 5 hours fitting an air filter, and it's basically added absolutely nothing to the performance. But there you go. Right, anyway, that's the end of the video. See you next time. Bye bye.